often considered the greatest painting ever done of a battle at sea. Clarkson Stanfield's magnificent reconstruction of the Battle of Trafalgar nearly rumbles with the desperation of the French and Spanish combined fleet. About 2 hours after the British, led by Nelson in the Victory, had slashed through the ragged enemy line, Vice Admiral Cuthbert Collingwood's Royal Sovereign at the far left lies alongside the dismasted Spanish flagship, the Santa Ana, which has struck her colors. A boatload of British crewmen, presumably a boarding party, has come under her bow. In the foreground, another British party hauls in survivors clinging to a snarl of debris. At the right, the Mars and the Temeraire are sandwiching the French Fougueux and pummeling her with salvos. The Temeraire is caught by the French Redoutable's mizzenmast, which has toppled across the quarterdeck. British crewmen are swarming along the mast to cut it loose. In the foreground, a launch, probably bearing Captain Blackwood, commander of the British rear, approaches the Victory to report. At this point, Nelson has already been fatally wounded and lies amidships on the Victory's orlop deck. Stanfield has marked the spot on the hull with a floating cross of mast and spar. The stern of the French Bucentaure shows the ordeal of Admiral Villanueva's flagship. The Victory had raked her with a broadside as she cut through the enemy line. Then, in quick order, the Neptune, the Leviathan, and the Conqueror had added their deadly greeting. Here, while the Britannia, shown in the left background, comes down on her from windward, one of the Bucentaure's officers stands above her toppled mizzenmast and drooping tricolor and hails an allied ship for help. 2 British launches bob beside the gigantic Spanish Santissima Trinidad, while the party clambers aboard. Believing from the looks of the flag drooping over her gun ports as she has struck her colors, the Spaniards politely ushered the Britons back to their boats and refused to surrender for several more hours. Behind her, the British Neptune emerges after battering the Santissima Trinidad and is engaged by the French Intrépide, which is firing her stern guns. To the left, French crewmen cling to the Bucentaure's shattered mainmast as they wait rescue.